beach. So much to do. Unlimited possibilities. There is nothing to do at the beach. Why did we come here? Let's sneak away from the kids and go get busy.
Oh, I'd love to, Peter, but here comes Chris with a too-much-sun beach tantrum.
Mom, I tried to look at a lady who was lying with her straps down, and she saw me, and she said something to her friend, and they laughed.
What lady? Where? Oh, stand back, son. Watch how it's done. Those ladies are really mean.
Come on, Brian. I'm gonna make you a YouTube surfing dog. You know, one of those videos where you can't tell if he's enjoying it or not.
I love it.
I hate it.
Seems like a safe place to open a full bag of cheese doodles.
Hey, sup?
Hey. Okay, I'll give you one, but don't tell your friends.
Oh, yeah, no.
So, what should we do now that we're finally down here?
How about we do something that ain't been done under a pier in 50 years? Have heterosexual sex.
So, a strange man is changing Stewie on our blanket.
Hey, mind your business, Brian.
Aw.